Here's the symptom. In reverse, no brakes on. Just rolling. If you put the brakes on, it would stop. Make noise going ahead too. So let's see what it is. So I just switched CV joints. I did both sides. And we start driving it. And the wife starts complaining about this noise. It's like, what? Like I say, I didn't change the brakes or nothing. I didn't touch anything, didn't adjust them. So anyway, here I've got them apart. And I was looking, I tried lubing stuff up, put it all back together. I thought I fixed it. And I took it for a ride and it's making more noise, or still noise. So I'm looking here, and what is this? I'm thinking, is there a stone stuck or something? What is that right there? It's hard to see, not in focus, but I'll show you if we take a look underneath. Because I checked the backing plate on top and everything's fine. So if I scooch in under here, there's a little backing plate on the very bottom here too, this kind of a triangular looking thing. And I guess it was just touching the rotor enough that it would screech. Like I say, I hadn't touched the brakes, but I had hit to get the lower ball joint off to get the CV joint out. I'd been whacking there, been whacking on the lower control arm. I whacked over here too, and I must have accidentally touched that little shield. I don't remember it. It's got a very distinct sound when you touch it. That little pinging kind of. But anyway, I can clearly see that it's bent. And what was interesting is the sound sounded like it was actually coming from both sides. But it was just the passenger side that this got bent. So I took a screwdriver, just bent it out there a little bit, made sure it's not touching. Trying to get it to be the same distance as the top of it was. And we got lots of clearance. I put everything back together. And do you think it's going to be okay? So I put the brakes back together and everything, lubed everything up. Let's try it. And happily, everything was nice and quiet, going forwards, backwards, putting the brakes on not. This is on a 2010 Grand Caravan, but this could be on any kind of vehicle that you could have the same problem. Well, I hope this video was helpful to you. Like I say, I was just changing a CV joint, and then all of a sudden I get these scrapes and scratches and squeals. I thought, is something wrong with the CV joint? Is it not the right length? What's going on? Anyway, something simple. Anyway, if you like the video, can you give me the thumbs up? It can't hurt. If you have a Grand Caravan, even if you don't, why not subscribe down in the corner? This was on a Grand Caravan, but this could be really any kind of vehicle. They all have the backing plates. Also, again, if you do have a Grand Caravan, right up here, just above the blue circle, I'm going to put a playlist there of the Grand Caravan, and there'll be some other stuff there as well. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm Uncle Mark saying you and your family stay safe. Please subscribe, and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.